to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Instagram posts. So let's dive in. The first step is open your Instagram, and the next step is you click on your profile menu button, and the next step is click on the three line menu button, and the scroll up you click on settings, click on privacy, and this is it. Click on your comment, and now allow comment form. Is it for everyone, for people you know, for your followers, people you follow, or who you follow, or those that follow you? And that is where you can off your comment section here to your satisfaction. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and subscribe for more. Thank you guys.